Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on the Kraken app. So first of all, just go ahead and install the Kraken app and then go ahead and open it up. Then you need to log into your account or create an account and then click on the purple button in the bottom and here you can deposit cash or crypto. So just choose your currency. Let's say you want to deposit euros, then deposit some money. Once you have deposited the money into your account, click on the portfolio in the bottom. Then here click on buy crypto. Then in the bottom click on explore more assets and then here you have bunch of cryptocurrencies that you can invest in. So let's say you want to buy some Avalanche, click on that and here choose the amount that you would like to invest. So let's say you want to do it 5 euros, click 5. Then you can do an order type, so it's set to buy now. Right now that will just immediately buy it at the current price. You can also set it to recurring, so that means that you can, for example, invest 5 euros per week, and you can also do custom. So for example, it's worth 9 euros right now and you would like to automatically buy in at euros. Then you can say I want to buy at euros. It will automatically do that for you. So I'll just give it a buy now. Then here you can also click on pay with. Now you can do Apple Pay, add a card or deposit money. So you can also just pay with your balance. Then click on next and then confirm the order. And you can do this for any cryptocurrency that you would like to buy. So that's how you can buy crypto on Kraken app. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.